minutes ago we go at church and we got home. It's cloudy here and this morning it's rainy. So just sprinkle raining. It's raining. Oh, it's not. Is it the weather there is not? No more. It's not winter. No more winter. 3 million. Thank you. Who's that 3 million? Give me a. Thank you for talking to me, Mr. Nate. Great podcast. Okay. Wait. I'll check your channel. I will connect also to you. So if you do live, I will go to your live. I'll go to your springtime. Here almost done the winter. But because until this week maybe, I hope. I will connect to you also. Wait, I'm here on your live. I'll give you jacket. So you have you're my one of the moderator. Okay, you have moderator. The channel Nate the Great Podcast. I'm watching now one of your video. 2 years ago you didn't upload. Is your channel already monetized? Appreciate you. 2 years ago my channel is monetized. Continue upload and do live so that you get monetized. If you get your watch hour, I lost monetization. I'm not worried about. Okay. I got you. I'm connected to you, Mr. Nate, the Great Podcast. Thank you, 2 million. 2 million, thank you. I'm about 34 minutes on live already. Thank you. Thank you. Shout out there in New York City. Shout out everyone. 3 million. 3 million. Much love. Bye bye. I'm gonna end my live 5 minutes more. Okay. Thank you everyone. Thank you. Okay. Na. 4 billion. I'm just here. See? Let you show the beautiful view here in Taiwan. So let us Sunday very silent.